Salut mes élèves. Today we're talking about passé composé with irregular verbs. We know that in English we have patterns for making a verb in the past tense, right? So if we say, I danced today, I danced yesterday, we add an ed to the end. Or I talk to my mom. I talked to my mom yesterday. We add an ed to the end. That's the regular pattern, right? But we've got irregular verbs too, like sing. I sing a song. I sang a song yesterday. I bring my lunch every day to school. I brought my lunch yesterday. We eat every night at dinner. We ate dinner together yesterday. So we've got irregular verbs in English. We've also got irregular verbs in French. Every verb that we're going to see today is using avoir as our helping verb. Remember, when we make something in passé composé, we have two parts to our passé composé, two parts to our past tense. We need a helping verb, which today is going to be avoir. We also need our participé passé, the past participle. Okay, so here's our conjugations of avoir if you need a reminder. Let's look at some of our participé passés. For the verb avoir, to have, we're going to say eu. J'ai eu mal à la tête. I had a headache. Notice A is agreeing with je, and then eu follows. Okay, so we've got our helping verb and our participé passé. We also have boire, which means to drink, and we've got bu, bu. Nous avons bu du coca. We drank Coke. We drank some Coke. So avons is agreeing with nous, and bu is our participé passé. Être becomes été, looks like summer. How are we going to know the difference? We're going to look for our helping verb avoir ahead of it, right? Il a été au supermarché. He was at the supermarket. So we've got été as our participé passé, a as our form of avoir, that's helping out, to make our sentence in the past tense. Faire becomes fait. Notice that this is a conjugation of faire, right? How are we going to know that it's in the past tense when we're looking at a sentence? Well, we're going to look at the word that comes before. We're going to see if it's a subject pronoun. Is it a conjugation of our verb that agrees with our subject, or do we have a helping verb in front of it? In this case, we do. Ils ont fait les devoirs. They did the homework. So we notice that it's in passé composé because we've got ont as our helping verb agreeing with il, and then fait is in our past tense, the participé passé of faire. We also have lire, which our participé passé is going to be lu. Tu as lu le roman. Did you read the book? A is agreeing with tu. That's our helping verb, our form of avoir, agreeing with tu. And lu stays the same, invariable, like all our other conjugations, like all our other participé passés that we're talking about today. We have mettre, to put on. Our participé passé is mis. J'ai mis le livre sur la table. I put the book on the table. A agreeing with je, that's our helping verb. Mi is our participé passé. To go along, to help our sentence become in the past tense. Woohoo! All right, pleuvoir, to rain. Pleu. Remember, this is only going to be with our il form, right? Il pleut, it's raining. Or il a plu la semaine dernière. It rained last week. Il a plu. A agreeing with il as our helping verb. Plu is our participé passé, not changing at all. Okay? For prendre, we've got pris. Il a pris un sandwich. He had a sandwich. He took a sandwich. Remember, okay, when we're conjugating prendre in the present tense, it's the same conjugation when we have the verb comprendre or apprendre or reprendre, right? Same thing is going to be with the past tense. So we just take our PRIS ending and add our prefix, okay? So vous avez compris la question? Did you understand the question? PRIS, pris, is the same for prendre and it is for comprendre, just with our stem, or just with our prefix in front of it, okay? J'ai appris la chanson par cœur. I learned the song by heart. Voir, we've got vu, like déjà vu. You know, I've already seen, I have déjà vu. And then, so vu is our participé passé of voir. So vous avez vu le film? Have you seen the movie? Vu is our participé passé of voir. Avez is agreeing with vous. We've got a beautiful past tense sentence here. You guys are doing awesome with this. Vouloir. Voulu is going to be our participé passé. Elle a voulu acheter la jupe. She wanted to buy the skirt. Okay? So, a is our helping verb agreeing with elle. Voulu is our participé passé. not changing. Our participe passé is invariable, doesn't change. Okay, merci, I hope this helped. Vous avez appris quelque chose? Ooh, look at our past tense there. Merci beaucoup, mes élèves.